Bethany asks, is there a placement test available for All About Spelling? Definitely. Here's where you can find it. The Spelling Placement Test will help you determine what level is best for your student. I'd like to share with you that All About Spelling is a building block program. Each level builds upon the previous one. The rules and concepts taught in Level 1 are applied in Level 2, Level 2 concepts are applied in Level 3, and so on. So, to prevent any gaps in knowledge, we recommend that most students start with Level 1. If you think your student may be able to start with Level 2 or above, the placement test will help you determine which level is best for your student. The placement test also includes tips for fast-tracking older students through the spelling program. If you still have questions about reading or spelling placement, we would love to hear from you. We're here to help. If you still have questions about reading or spelling placement, we would love to hear from you. We're here to help.